Come to think about it, if you're earning $5 to $10 on a daily basis, complementing your monthly income, how would it be? Would it be an add-on? Yes, it is an add-on. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make $5 to $10 using your smartphone and this app that you have called Facebook, and most of you don't know how to earn money on Facebook. This video is going to be brief and it is going to be a follow-up answer to the question that we got on a live on one of the platform, whereby someone was like, oh God, do you mean Facebook do pay people? So yes, Facebook do pay people, and in this month we dedicated this month to individuals who are having their smartphones, whether it is which quality, which amount of money, is it iPhone or it is any Android phone. We don't care how much expensive it is, but as long as you can have an app on it, as long as you can Google from it, you can put internet on it, you can put data on it, you are in position to make money. This is a disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial consultant. No, I'm not a financial buoyant like the way you guys stop coming to a DM saying, oh, madam, we need money. No, I'm a person who has followed up and used smartphones with internet to make money. So I'm among the something like 25% of the population that use their smartphone to earn money. I complement my income, my monthly income, and it has also, imagine, tried to prove that it can be more than even my salary on a monthly basis. So it is very simple. If you watch this video in the month of July, welcome to July and happy new month. And if you watch at the end of June, please get to know that this month, the coming month, is going to be a month which is profitable and productive for you, provided you follow the good actions. So you are having a smartphone and you're having Facebook. Do you post anything on Facebook? Yes. If you post anything, do you scroll Facebook? When I'm talking about Facebook, Facebook has two sides. There is a mother Facebook, which is the profile, then there is a page. Both of them you can earn from there. And in today's video, it is just a simple way on how to earn on this platform. Just simple. The first one, you can earn by making it your billboard as far as marketing status is concerned. You can market your things out of it with your Facebook. You can either go and market on marketplace, that is on your profile, or you can even post things on your profile, informing them on the products that you have. But that is the easiest way that you can define yourself as you prepare for the big one, which is going to give you passive income that I'm bringing for you. Passive income, you'll get it how? You'll get it through AdSense revenue. What do I mean by AdSense revenue? For you to qualify for this AdSense revenue on Facebook, both using posts, using photos, using reels, and at the same time, you can also use videos. When I'm talking about videos, you should use them when they are 3 minutes and above. And for photos, they should be clear with at least some captions. They should also not be having any copyright. Behold on, I can also help you on how to remove copyrights from any photo that you have. If you want to know how to remove copyrights from any photo, please put it in the comment section. Things have been simplified. So you can get all this, especially the AdSense, by making sure you meet the standards of the threshold. What is the standard threshold on Facebook? You need to have 5,000 followers, and at the same time, you need to have 4,000 watch hours. I mean, not 4,000. You need to have 4,000 is for YouTube. You can see how I'm immersed in YouTube so much. So at least you should make sure you have 5,000 followers. When you have 5,000 followers, it's automatic. It means you're going to be qualified for very many tools of monetization. Among of them, you'll have to be accessing stars, of which stars are like any other gifts like you find on Facebook, on TikTok, then packs on YouTube. These ones are given to you by individuals. You can also access partnership as far as Facebook is concerned. You'll also access brand sponsorship. If you're kind of a person who wants, this is the early stage, at least these ones can push you for you to prepare for ad revenue. So with ad revenue, you make sure you adhere to community guidelines, you adhere to Facebook monetization guidelines. Facebook is more strict than any other thing. Now, the second bulletin that I want to remind you about, there are some countries which are not monetized. Countries like Uganda, East African countries, most of them are not monetized. West Africa, recently Nigeria became among the new ones which are monetized. But behold, be calm. I have also good news as far as people who are in Uganda, for example. If you want to monetize your Facebook, what do? You can get an administrator from another country. To know more about this, you can join our masterclass by writing in the comment section, or you send us an email. So in a nutshell, it is very easy for you to make money with your social media platforms with a smartphone. How is it easy? Because you have already used it. When I'm talking or I'm teaching about making money with social media platforms and a phone, my target group is for those people who says I cannot do without a smartphone, with internet, with Facebook. This message or this education is for those people who are always scrolling. You're always scrolling, you're always watching people, you're always watching skits. Instead of watching these people, as you watch these people, you can also be making your audience to watch yours. So what do I urge you to do? Today, go to your profile, turn it to a professional mode if you have a profile. After turning it to a professional mode, you also go to your profile, make sure you make a Facebook page. Why should you make a Facebook page? A Facebook page makes you earn unlimitedly because it also has no limit on your followers. Followers will continue coming. But for the Facebook profile, you have a limit as far as followers are concerned. There is a certain limit that you will not go. And also there are some other benefits as far as monetization is concerned that you will not access. So if you're there and you're a kind of a person who is always on Facebook, who is always on Instagram, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp are all linked together. They are under one umbrella. So you can kill 3 stones at a go. The moment you put something on Facebook, you can link your WhatsApp. And on WhatsApp, you sell there a product that is going to be even accessed by someone who is on Facebook. At the same time, you can also link it with Instagram. So I think I've answered a question of which I've answered it publicly to someone also who didn't know that you can decide to say I'm going to make $10. Is it easier for you to make $10? Don't rush. Making money is not a one-night game, is not a one-night project. When you're beginning, you'll get even $0.02, you'll get even $1.2, but what is your target? Do you want to get 5,000 US dollars like others? We have people who are earning more than $6,000 per month on a platform. How do they do it? They did not start from there. They had a foundation and they built on that foundation. So do you think you can make your Facebook now be monetized? For you to make your Facebook be monetized, you have to focus on it. Just not for the sake of posting. You have to know the good practices, and you also have to know if the threshold, what you're doing should be matching what you want to get. So guys, let's turn our phones, especially Facebook, let's turn our photos, let's turn our posts, our writings, our articles into dollars. See you in another video. Let me know what you want me to discuss more, because this video was brief, was blatant. If you want me to discuss something deep on this topic, please put it in the comment section. I'll be there to do it with you. Thank you very much. Love you so much.